How to log in into Commercial Bank of Qatar. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First, we'll launch a web browser on your device. With the help of the search bar or address bar at top of the screen, type in CBQ Login and press enter on your keyboard. From this result section, you need to click on the first link of CBQ, which is the official link. When you click on it, you will land on the sign-in page of CBQ, where in this portal you have to enter your user ID and password. In case you forget both of your user ID and password, click on the link underneath and then recover your password or user ID. Then click on sign in button and you will successfully sign in with your Commercial Bank of Qatar. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.